In this episode, mustache, Scarpazza nickname, 22, stars and planets, rickshaws and motorcycles. Perched between the valleys, between prickly pears and mountains, rises an ancient city of Sicily, Castroreale, the king's fortress. The sea envelops the panorama of this illustrious medieval city of ancient origins. You can see the Aegean Islands in the distance, and in ancient times the pirates were sighted. As soon as you enter the village, there is an almost fairy tale air, almost surreal. A cartoon scene, a jazz melody, something mysterious. Meanwhile today, Jack Fly, our tireless drone, is having a blast over the roofs of the village. Here I am. Have you called me? I am above the mother church. Where are you? Puff, puff, pan, pan. We're entering the Ranieri door, the only one left of the ancient city walls. Just behind the door, there is a strange guy. Let's see who it is.
I work copper.
What beautiful works and beautiful mustache.
I am retired. I worked at the post office and then I dedicated myself to this job.
Questa è una oliera. È sporca perché è stata guidata.
Ma sono usabili così, sì.
Mettiamo l'acqua calda nel letto.
What is this thing?
The ancient hot water bag made of copper.
Nel letto, allora.
Tra le gambe, nelle tre.
Riscaldavano di sotto.
Ho capito.
Questa qua con i capelli già tutta finita.
Here is Paladin, without a head.
Let's see if I find it.
If you find it, come here. Well, let's say goodbye to our friend with a big jazz mustache.
Fai da qui.
And we head towards the center of the village. Yes, those mustaches are really extraordinary, like jazz. Here we are in Piazza Duomo, where the president of the Circle of the Elderly is waiting for us.
E poi avete fatto la fuitina?
Sì, la famosa fuitina, purtroppo.
He is over 80 years old. He tells us that he did the fuitina, and to the question, where did he bring his wife, he replies,
L'ho portata a Messina.
Messina. We stayed 8 days.
listen, what is your nickname?
Ingegnere Scarpazza.
Engineer Scarpazza, which means big shoes.
Why? Are you an engineer?
No. The fact is that when there was a dispute over land boundaries, they always called my father, who was meticulous in establishing boundaries as an engineer. Maybe he did it with long steps, with big shoes, and they called him Engineer Scarpazza.
Okay then. Goodbye, Engineer Scarpazza. Here we are at the cathedral. It is a building dating back to the 1500s, with extraordinary polychrome canvases and marbles. There is also a very precious organ, and one of the 7 sundials still operating in Sicily. Here is the mnemonic hall above. Do you see it?
Il foro gnomonico è là sopra.
Andiamo. Come si sta? Dice, piacere. Nome, cognome?
As soon as we leave the church, we meet again the engineer Scarpazza and the one next to him is his brother. I am the youngest, and with the oldest, there is over 30 years of difference. Jack, the talking drone, flies over the roofs of the houses. I saw a house with clothes hanging in a small street close to you. Explore it. I repeat, explore it. Who is she? Hi, ma'am. We are Sicilians who travel around Sicily. We always play the game of the clothes hanging. So we think that by the clothes hanging, 2 women and a man live here.
3 donne o no?
3 women and 1 man. Ouch, almost. What are you going to eat today?
Oggi che cosa? Mio figlio vuole la ricotta fresca oggi. Fra poco passa da là.
Fresh ricotta. Listen, do you let us in now?
Trova disordine, se si vuole
Grazie.
accomodare.
You find a mess, but please sit down.
Mia cognata, attenta al gradino.
There is the son, who is doing the aerosol. Hundreds of small objects, like in many Sicilian houses. An antique radio, her daughter's room who works in Rome, and a beautiful view of Piazza Duomo.
Accomodatevi. Disordine trova perché
No, signora, la casa è viva
e in questa vita non resta niente, resta soltanto
In this life remains only kindness and hospitality. There is also a photo of her with her husband, also with a mustache, like Nino the blacksmith.
Tuo marito?
mio marito, sì.
Questa è signora, grazie. Che cosa dirle?
Figurati. È stato un piacere.
Piacere nostro.
Garbatissimo, buongiorno, piacere.
It smells like jazz. I mean, it's a magical, sinuous, full of indecipherable spices. They are preparing homemade macaroni with a nice meat sauce. How wonderful! But I don't care about macaroni. I want to know the mysterious recipe of the abbess cookies, the cookies of the ancient nuns of Castroreale, famous throughout Sicily. You can know, I'm sorry. The recipe is secret. We can say what we put in, but the procedure is top secret.
L'anice.
L'anice, semi di anice, chiodi di garofano e cannella. Poi c'è
The main ingredients are anise seeds, cloves, and cinnamon. Then there is flour, lard, sugar, and yeast. And there is no egg.
Allora, io se volete assaggiarli, ce li ho anche piccolini
No,
così.
piccoli, non
Questi
l'assaggiamo.
due.
Here are the mysterious jazz cookies. They are hard or soft. Let's eat one.
Infornate perché viene la prima infornata viene così.
Really good.
Qualunque bevanda.
You can eat them where you want. Granita, wet with wine.
Buongiorno, oggi ci sono io a servirla.
A customer enters. Hello, what do you need?
Put everything in the card.
You don't pay today.
Are you a journalist selling cookies?
A question answered fast. What is 11 plus 11?
Bene, 22 pere.
11 più 11?
È sempre molto 2 pere.
Perfetto.
22, which is 22.
As they say it in Messina, 22 with 2 D's instead of 1. They don't say it anywhere else. 22. Let's look at this little shop. Hello. We saw this fabric store and we enter. Ma'am, what do you have in that bag? Ricotta. You're going to eat ricotta today too? But you all eat ricotta here today? Now it's time to go inside the medieval alleys of Castroreale. Here you can breathe a jazz atmosphere, a bit surreal and a bit mysterious. The stupendous bell tower of the 1560 appears suddenly in the narrow stone-paved alleys. We are in the historic center, among the silences of this village, of not even 2,000 inhabitants. Almost opposite the bell tower is the Mosquita Arch that led to the synagogue, which reminds us that a Jewish community lived here until the 1500s. And now instead, it acts as an entrance to the panorama of the valley. From here, we go up again towards the highest part of the town.
Buongiorno.
A dog barks, and a lady that does the cleaning shows us the way to the ruins of the castle. Here we are. Only the tower and a wonderful panorama remain. And also a tree of Chinese mandarins. Delicious. We return to the village and go to visit a planetarium led by Professor Paolo Faranda. How nice! He's jazz too, of course.
Benissimo, va bene. Allora, vediamo. Parliamo, chiacchieriamo con qualcuno.
Upstairs, we meet school kids who are doing a book listing. They are from Barcelona, but Barcelona from Sicily, a big city near here, and therefore they don't know the precious jazz cookies of the abbess that were given to us this morning at the cookies factory. Listen, guys, I'll ask you a very fast, stupid question. Don't ask yourself the reason for this question, but just think about answering me. 11 plus 11.
11 più 11.
22. Hehe. I get a kick out of this double D in 22. You see, guys, the inhabitants of the province of Messina are famous for doubling the D's in 22. And then I like to hear it, and I always ask this idiotic question. We hope you don't grow up like me. And fortunately, they decide to take a picture with me anyway. Now I'm really hungry. They are waiting for us to eat in a house in the village. Hey, but the owner is Maria, the president of the tourist office, and her husband Nino, the mustache blacksmith. And there is also Elena, the daughter. How much food they prepared! Pasta, sausages, various meats, cheeses, cake, wine and more wine. In our house, there is no such word, I want little, says the daughter Elena.
Enrico Bonaparte, gli altri amici Pippo Perdichizzi.
Abbiamo una società.
Nino, the father, instead, tells us about his after work.
So I and other friends have a club. We do training every other evening because we have a eating competition.
E noi lo facciamo per una decina di
Voi intanto vi allenate.
Still don't know when it will be, but in the meantime we train ourselves to
Non
eat
è che mangiate perché
tripe, sausage, pasta. We train while waiting for the race.
ma me era un angelino.
Then they show us the photos of when they got married, and Nino always has those jazz mustache.
Mi sono innamorata della sua testardaggine.
Maria, did you fall in love with the mustache? No, I fell in love with his stubbornness and sweetness. He used to stop in the street and pick up a flower for me.
E poi è un bravissimo cuoco.
And above all, he's a very good cook. After every jazz night, he prepares dinner for everyone. Jazz nights? That's why I heard this music constantly, buzzing in my ears. Maria tells us that an important jazz festival is held annually in Castroreale. And so Elenia shows us her beautiful portrait photos.
Per farsi fotografare. Sì, e però vedi che facevo sempre i volti, continuamente.
La passione.
And for the occasion, also makes one for the crew, with the promise to send it to us as soon as she works it. Thanks, sweet Elenia.
Venire a Castroreale perché? Perché è una città d'arte, perché siamo il secondo borgo più bello d'Italia classificato l'anno scorso.
Come to Castroreale because it is a city of heart, because there are hospitable people, because there is an extraordinary artistic heritage, because we are very near from the sea, but with clean and fresh air. And don't miss the cookies secretly handed down by our nuns. And don't miss our jazz event.
Le olie, Milazzo.
Okay, with a full stomach, everything proceeds better. Let's try to get into that little alley. What a strange house. There are so many plants and strange things hanging. Maybe a magician lives there. Let's see. Nothing. Strange chairs, brooms, buckets, and curious fetish. We better run away. Elenia brings us to visit a bizarre guy, the motor ape. This is what jazz is. We dash through the alleys of Castroreale. Here is a red 500. They greet with the motor ape. Same generation. Hey, slow down. This alley is narrow. Finished ride. Our furious chauffeur, Enrico Munafo, opens the doors of a spectacular museum of motorcycles. There are two wheels that have made films, races and commercials since the 1900s. There are also the first motorized bicycles of 1946 and many world champion motorcycles. If this is not Jazz Museum, what is it?
Augusta, Meccanica Verghera, Conte, Domenico e Giovanna Augusta. Uno si è dedicato. Questa è la sezione delle moto campione del mondo. Modificato appunto per questo telaio.
Okay, game over. Castroreale thanks for the beautiful day, the mysterious cookies, the lavish lunch, and for the always extraordinary Sicilian hospitality. By the way, 11 plus 11?
11 più 11.
11 più 11, 22.